Alright, here we go. Got another one for y'all. This is the good enough test. Is it good enough to hunt? What are we doing? We got it lined up, taking a shot through the spam, hitting the board, and then hitting the block of clay, and gonna see what the penetration and the expansion of this lead slug that a lot of people sit there and say, oh, you can't hunt with that, it just doesn't have enough to it. So y'all stick around and see how it goes down. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here we go with the Pistolaire row. Got the 45 Cowboy. And here we go. Yeah, we're about 10, 15 yardish, right in between there somewhere. And we're going to just see if this is good enough. Do we have the penetration? Do we have the breakdown? Do we have the thump behind the bullet for hunting? Good enough test. Alrighty, let's see. Well, looking at the, I can see the light. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. Well, we do have a spam canoe here. I can see the light going through. Now the board, split the board. Well, hit and split. We'll take that back and do some measurements on it. Clean pass through. Now, what we've been waiting for, ladies and gentlemen, we have the clay. Oh shit. Well, we have a total pass through. So, you're wondering if it's good enough to hunt? Damn, I would have loved to have seen that bullet. But I want to measure this clay, so I don't want to shoot it again. I want to get measurements on it. Gotta be as non-scientific as we possibly can for y'all out here. So I definitely don't want to shoot it again, but I'll tell you what. You want to see a hole? That thing just kept trucking. Trying not to move it as much as possible. Right back in and close it up, and we'll get some measurements on this, and we'll get a depth of how thick that hole was going through. More scientific for y'all. Yes, next time I know to put some water behind it. All right, here we go. Got the Winchester 45 Colt 250 grain Cowboy action flat nose slug right there for y'all. On the good enough, will it be good enough to hunt test? And as you can see, we've got the board going on right here, and just so y'all know, that is soda stained for proper verification, so y'all know nothing, no trickery is going on here. Let's just take a look. On the entry, we're at 3-1. 5-3. And the same thing on the exit. A little bit wider. 6-6. 2-7. Interesting. But here's even the better part. This is after we hit our simulated muscle tissue, which is spam. Let's see this. This was interesting. This would have been the inner organs. Okay, as you see here, it went through. Big hole all the way through. See daylight under there. But let's see. That slug punched through, definitely almost an inch wide. Circle going out. So for people who are sitting there saying that the Cowboy load, this isn't something that you can hunt with, yeah, there are better options out there probably, I'm pretty sure of, but it will definitely hunt. Take it from me, as someone who knows, this will definitely drop wild game. So there you go. Will it hunt? Yep. Next time we know to have something catching on the back, because it definitely went straight through. And we didn't catch the bullet. So there you go. Thanks for watching.